BMW 5 Series F10. To change lock, you must remove door trim, and after cut out this here with some knife, after disconnect this cable, after take out this another cable, after take out this and this and this screws, and little push it inside because it's have this glue, not glue but with a soft material which little like glue, and after by here you can take it out, and inside you will find one cable which you also must take out and put it back. It stands, yes, here it's the handle from outside, and it's like that. You can change how to take out door trim. You can check in my other video, I have showed. It's in rear doors locks how to change. I thought we must open here to take out handle, but it's no need to take out the handle. So